appreciate Ben taking the time to come in. His company, KCF Technologies, helping out in a really neat way with some of the State College high school students. And Ben, first of all, always good to see you. Thanks for coming in this morning.
Thanks for hosting me, Jeff and Gary.
And let's talk a little bit about the program here, making the Dale Carnegie class available to some State College students. Why you got involved in this way, and just a phenomenal opportunity for these kids to really learn some things that I wish I had learned when I was their age.
Well, and Jeff, you're an expert because if I recall, you're an alumni of the class, correct?
I am, and I'm telling you, it was one of my all-time favorite experiences. It really was. Why did you get involved with creating this opportunity for students?
Well, the Dale Carnegie class, as you know, Jeff, has been around for over 100 years. It's taught internationally, and it really is the best in class that I've ever experienced in helping people develop their human relations skills, how to get along with other people, communicate effectively, manage stress and worry. And the company for which I work, KCF Technologies, we're in a very fortunate position where we had some funds available to reinvest into our community. And when we thought about the best way to do that, the Dale Carnegie class for high school kids immediately came to mind for our team. And I would say for two reasons. On the philosophical side, it's really our investment to curb school violence. The better teenage kids are able to see a bright future for themselves and get along with one another and manage the stress that comes with those teenage years, the more likely that they're going to succeed and be less focused on doing something harmful in the early stages. And the practical reason is our company's growing very quickly. We're desperately seeking engineers and software developers and product specialists of all kinds. And what we're finding is that we can find a good amount of qualified candidates that have the technical skills, but we need people that also have people skills. Yeah. So finding that blend of both technical expertise and human relations skills, there is a huge chasm in the market. So if we can invest in these kids and they can go forward and carry that to others, maybe in the long run, it benefits all of us. Of all the people over the years that I have seen go through the Dale Carnegie class, all walks of life, the group that I have seen progress most quickly and come out of this with the most to demonstrate are the high school kids. I would say they're the group that's most likely to come into the first class looking like they're a team of hostages, right? Yep. They'll sit in the chair and slouch and cross their arms, and they don't look happy to be there. But by the end, the transformation is incredible. So we're really amazed at how quickly these young kids are able to evolve. I can look at a resume, we can see their GPA, what they majored in, but I'll tell you this, if I see someone come into our company who applies for a job and I see that they are a Dale Carnegie graduate and that's on their resume, that resume goes to the top of the pile. Yep. So if we can inspire 25 kids to become more involved in leadership positions, to step out of their comfort zones and try things that they otherwise would not, we see a ripple effect from that benefits all of us.
Thank you and the company for stepping up in this way. Again, Ben Lawrence, we thank you very much for coming in this morning.
Thanks very much, guys. It's been a pleasure.